I like that the boat just stops. It's like, you got a phone call. Stop the boat. Drop an anchor. Hold up. Got a phone call. Looking for Brawley. Wrong way. Fight me. Gym number 2, chat. Me versus Brawley. 1 Pokegod. Versus 3 Swole Boys. Well, that was terrible. I was like, it does damage, right? It did one. God, you roll Flamethrower? Come on. That's unfortunate. Not the best start. That's good, though. That's real good. Nice. Alright. Got a potion out. It's pretty good. It's not too bad. Heal in a turn or 2. That's terrible, though. Truly awful. That's not good. And a crit. Alright, round 1 goes to Brawley. Hypnosis is pretty good. Sleep is always really good. Sleep's kind of broken, actually. That's good. That's real good. Oh, that's huge. 1 down. 1 Swole Boy down. 2 to go. I'll do bring it down. Oh! He's nuts! Can't handle Pokegod. 2 Swole Boys down. Finish the job, Pokegod. Really, give me a stat raise, though? Damn. Ah, shit. Uh-oh. Damn it, Pokegod. Uh-oh. Oh, no. 4 health. Please, Pokegod. Damn it! Well, for 2. That one started really well, too. Damn, that would've been good damage. Fuck. That's a really good move. Nice. Ooh, and the flinch. Let's go. Finish it off now. That's not terrible, actually. We got it early in the battle, too. As long as my chop doesn't roll anything good. That's useless. Does some damage. Finish him off. Nice. Take that. 1 down. If we roll a good flying time, maybe we one-shot anything right now. Sword stance. I'll take that. Oh, I'll take that. 2 down. 1 to go. Come on, Pokegod. It's your time. That's not bad either, actually. Special attack goes up too. Come on, Pokegod. It's good damage. I guess Sword Stance. That'll do work. Ooh. Damn! Pokegod is slapping today. Ow. Come on. Oh, that's it. He's gone. He's gone. See ya. Let's go, chat. 2 gym leaders have felt Pokegod's wrath now. Also, okay, as much as I hate on Mr. Brainy, the guy is kind of nice. Like, I'm just this kid who, like, you know, shows up, and I'm like, take me somewhere. And he's like, yeah, f my plans. None of that matters. I'll take you wherever you need to go. Like, I mean, I know I saved his Pico, but, like, that's true, that's true. He can chase his bird anywhere. I mean, what does he care? As long as he can chase his bird around in circles, he doesn't care where he's at. Technically, it's always efficient to spend all of your money before you come in here. Alright. Team Aqua, you're about to face the wrath of Pokegod. Boom. Easy. He's insane. Yeah. You saw what happened to your partner. You really want more of this? Dramatically holding his Pokeball out. Oh, that'll be a one shot. Goodbye, Zubat. See you later. Bye. Yeah. That's what happens when you mess with Pokegod. Get fucked.